Have you heard the latest buzz? There's a brand new color in town that's about to shake up the iPhone world. If you're someone who loves staying ahead of the curve, this is a video you absolutely don't want to miss. So, what's this fresh, game-changing color? Let's dive right in. Imagine pulling a brand new iPhone out of the box and seeing a shade that's not just stylish, but unlike anything we've seen before. Say hello to Desert Titanium. This isn't just another color, it's a statement. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. For business inquiries, contact us today for expert content creation and advertising your brand or products on our TikTok and YouTube channels. Don't hesitate to email us. Apple has always been at the forefront of design innovation, and with the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro, they're taking things to the next level. Gone are the days of blue titanium. Apple is swapping it out for something truly extraordinary, a bronze-like hue that could be called Desert Titanium. And if you're wondering how we know, well, credit goes to a reliable leaker named Majin Buu, who's been dropping hints left and right on social media. Now, what makes Desert Titanium so special? According to Boo, it's a deep dark gold with a discreet yet luxurious feel. Think of it as a more refined, matured version of the gold option from the iPhone 14 Pro, but with a richness that's bound to turn heads. In fact, this shade has been described as a blend of rose gold and bronze, giving it a timeless appeal that feels both fresh and familiar. But that's not all. Apple is reportedly using a new process to finish the titanium, resulting in a glossier look, almost like the stainless steel finish we've seen in previous years, but with better scratch resistance. This means your iPhone 16 Pro won't just look stunning, it'll stay that way even with everyday use. The iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be a visual feast with colors that cater to every taste, whether you're into the vibrant options for the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, like white, black, blue, green, and pink, or the premium elegance of the Pro models. There's something for everyone. For those leaning towards a sophisticated look, the Pro and Pro Max models will introduce a stunning bronze shade that's a nod to the beloved rose gold of the past. Alongside this, you'll find Space Black, Space Gray, and Space White, each offering a sleek, modern aesthetic that Apple fans have come to love. Excited yet? You should be. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 16 series in September, right on schedule. So if you're planning to upgrade, start setting aside your cash because these beauties will hit the shelves soon after the official announcement. Now, let's talk pricing. With inflation and other economic factors at play, there's a chance we might see a slight price increase up to $100 for the Pro models. But remember, you're not just buying a phone, you're investing in cutting-edge design and tech that's built to last. So, what do you think of the new Desert Titanium color? Will it be the next must-have iPhone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as hyped as we are for the iPhone 16 series, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Stay tuned for more Apple news. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.